This is an old fireman's axe I found in the yard. It's pretty rusty, and I'm going to try to restore it. I'm going to sand it down, fix it up. I think we're going to need one of them and have on the boat. I have a small axe, but I thought maybe a big one like that, it should be good for emergencies. So I'm going to try to sand it, grind it, and varnish it. So let's see how it's going to look like when it's done. So I'm start grinding with the grinder. So after, with some elbow grease on the metal and on the handle, they start coming out pretty good. So we're going to put some thick oil, varnish, and probably I'm going to paint it black or something. And yeah, right now we're going to have a big axe on board. You never know, maybe a killer squid or octopus comes on the deck and we have to cut the tentacles. So it'll be the great machine for that. So anyway, Pam's going to do some varnish and thick oil. I can't believe how it came out nice, and I'm so happy that we're able to rescue it because it was going in the garbage. Finally, the axe is all finished. I put some thick oil, about 4 coats, and about 3 coats clear varnish. It's looking good. I also put thick oil on a steel part of the axe so it won't get rusty. So it looks good. It's going to be hung inside the boat. I hope never have to use it for emergency.